Would you rather unclog a toilet that hasn't been cleaned in 10 years or fix a leaking pipe in a 35-degree Celsius crawl space? Would you rather spend 8 hours in a crawl space or 8 hours in an attic in the middle of summer? Would you rather get sprayed by a sewer backup or drenched by a freezing water from a broken main? Would you rather snake a main drain on a Friday at 4:55 p.m. or get an emergency no water call on Christmas morning? It's good to know. Would you rather replace a sump pump during a thunderstorm or repair a burst pipe at 8 p.m.? Would you rather crawl under a house full of spiders or into an attic full of wasps?
Oh, no cheating.
You want?
I'm not getting stung.
No.
Would you rather diagnose an intermittent leak that only happens once a week or a sewer smell no one else can smell?
That's the word.
Would you rather work with no AC all summer or no heat all winter?
No.
Oh.